Yo, what's up everyone? I'm Jackie YBT, Tech Away Tech Everything. Welcome to my channel. This channel focuses on 4 things: tech, entertainment, food, and tutorial videos. Thanks for the subscribe. Whether you are the existing subscriber or new subscriber, welcome. And today I'm gonna unbox this ORICO BTA-508 Bluetooth 5.0 USB dongle. Okay, this will allow your PC to have Bluetooth. Pretty straightforward. And without further ado, let's unbox it and review it right now. Okay, so this is the ORICO BTA-508 Bluetooth 5.0 USB Bluetooth adapter. Pretty long name. Made in China. ORICO is a China company. By the way, this video is not a sponsor video. I use my own money to purchase this product. Okay, it has a 1-year limited warranty, and this is the packaging itself. Very small. Background got something like tech inspired background, spiral, some lights. It support Windows 7, 8, and 10. It doesn't stated any support for Mac OS, so we just leave it at that. So at the back, it shows the specification of this product. Product name, model, control chips, Bluetooth version, support system, and etc. You guys can pause it if you want to read it. Okay, pretty straightforward. Just unbox it from the back, take it out. You will see a user manual guide. Comes in both languages, English and Mandarin. It will teach you how to download the driver from their website and install it. Okay, this is Mandarin. At the back is English. But don't worry, I will teach you guys how to install the driver. And last but not least, the dongle itself. Very tiny. So I'm just gonna talk a little bit about the design. The design itself is pretty simple. There's some kind of deep cut to the texture. When you touch it, you can feel the stripe. There's some depth to it. And the ORICO logo. At the back, the same thing. And the side is just plain plastic. So as you can see, ORICO put some glow plating on the USB port surface to prevent corrosion. It comes with 2 colors, the black and the white. It's very tiny. Let me compare this to the wireless dongle that you use it for the keyboard. So it's just slightly bigger than those wireless dongle for wireless keyboard. It's not too bad. I would say it's still very tiny. Consider you have to put the chipset inside in order to make the Bluetooth connection possible. There's one for you to put your keychain loop so you won't lose it. So before you want to use this ORICO BTA-508 Bluetooth 5.0 wireless adapter, you have to download their own driver. You have to go to this website. I'll put the link down in the description below so that you guys can click and download it. Yeah, I know it's in Mandarin. I'll teach you how to download it. You just click this button, this blue button. You click it and it will show this zip file. Right now I'm downloading, so I'm not going to click it again. Download, wait for it, and then you install it. So I just finished download the driver, and I am going to show you how to install the driver. This is what you see. You just click Windows driver, go to setup exe. Now you can wait for it. So right now you have to do is, once you see this message, okay, so once you plug in, you press OK and then wait for it. And then press next, wait for the installation to finish. Press install. And you have to restart your computer in order to use it. So I'm gonna restart. So the first thing what I do after restarting my computer, I straight away connect to my Halo GT1, my wireless Bluetooth earbuds. I did a video about this device, unboxing hands-on. You guys can go check it out. Let me tell you, it connects immediately because the Halo support Bluetooth 5.0. It connects straight away, immediately, seamlessly, very fast. You just have to go to setting. Once you're done, you just click this Bluetooth, and then you press add a Bluetooth device. Will come to this page, the Windows setting, and you just add such device that you are using. For mice, keyboards, audio, you just click this Bluetooth. Click and it will search. Yeah, I'm quite impressive. This stuff, I got it for like
less than 25 ringgit. Of course, with the free shipping voucher, that's why I got that price, and then some coins deduction because I bought it from Shopee. Like less than 30 bucks, 25 ringgit. Yeah, it's a good thing. The performance is good. It's also backward compatible, adaptable to multiple Bluetooth versions like Bluetooth 4.0, 4.1 and 4.2. If you want to see whether the driver is installed successful or not, another way is you go to your device manager under the Bluetooth section, click Properties. They are using the Realtek chipset, and Realtek is a big company. Most of the Bluetooth chipset and audio chipset are made by them. They are really a big player in the market. So I have confidence in their product. That's it. That's how you check it.
So in conclusion, I recommend you guys to get this Bluetooth 5.0 adapter. It gets the job done and you don't need to spend a fortune in order to get the Bluetooth 5.0 feature. So another reason why I buy ORICO product is I have a pretty good past experience using their product, like the ORICO 7 USB 3.0 ports. I made that video not too long ago. You guys can go check it out, and also other people's review give me that confidence using their product. From my testing, I'm just using for a few hours. The connectivity is pretty stable. There's no lagging issue so far. Of course, I know you can get a cheaper alternative than the ORICO, but those cheaper brand, usually there's no brand, and the chipset they're using is pretty bad, like I don't know, from some unknown company. And ORICO is using Realtek technology, which is a plus point for me, provide a much more stable connectivity. Like I said, this is not a sponsor video. ORICO, if you watch this video, sponsor me please. Thank you. So that's about it, guys. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, give a thumbs up, share it to your friends and family, subscribe, click the bell icon, comment down in the comment section below, and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.